Hi there everyone, thank you so much for coming back to the channel. Today we're going to learn about how to open a saved folder in Facebook through a page, or it can be a profile. So let's start and let's dive in. Press the saved portion here after just opening the profile. You can see there is a product name which have been created. Let's create another product name or another folder. Create like product 2 and just press create. Look, the product 2 folder has been created for the saved items. You can put your vital videos or any kind of ads here to drag out later for your work purpose. So the task is very easy and convenient and also vital to save your precious information. Thank you so much. Hope the video was helpful to you. See you in the next video.